if you run phone sales calls or triage calls or any type of appointment setting, dialing people through GoHighLevel, I'm about to show you my exact system for how I took my pickup rate, answer rate, whatever you want to call it, from 50% to 75%. That's not just a 25% increase, that's literally a 50% difference in volume of people we're speaking to and ultimately people we're closing. And no, this is not some bullshit Miro overview where I'm going over this nice looking board. This is something that you can implement today right along with this video that will 100% improve your pickup rate. So let's get straight into it. All right, so just to explain quickly, what is this, how it works, all of that. So you know when you're dialing people, usually you have like some number area code that you're dialing from, especially if you're in the US. But all prospects right across the US, in different states and different regions, they're used to seeing different area codes pop up in their area. Basically, I don't know, they're from Texas. I don't know the actual area codes, but they have a particular area code phone number that pops up usually for them. And when people receive a phone call from a number that looks familiar, that is not like a toll-free looking number like an 8844 or whatever, if they receive something that they're more used to seeing just because they're in that area, there's a higher likelihood of them picking up the phone. Okay, so if they're basically, again, like I'm repeating myself, but if they see a number and it looks familiar, there's a higher chance they actually answer it. And actually, a few months ago, JHL added this feature called local presence, whatever. And basically, what it does is you dial your leads normally, and it automatically picks from the numbers you have available on your account which one is the closest or the most matched to that area. So it dials normally from your typical phone number, and then it looks in your number pool for the different numbers, matches the one that's closest to the lead's number. Okay, and basically the lead will receive a phone call, like the dial will show up on their phone saying an area code that's similar to theirs. And that's amazing, and it works, and I'll show you how to set it up. Plus, the other thing that I figured out is, let's say, especially if you're doing like booked triage calls or booked setting calls or booked sales calls or whatever, what really helped the pickup rate is actually telling the people in SMS, in the confirmation message that they get when they book, about the number that will actually be calling them from. So especially for people that are doing like handling inbound leads, all of that. Like, let's say someone booked a call from an ad or whatever, I'll be like, hey John, I don't know, it's whatever's your setter's name, like the automation basically for the confirmation, just so you booked, blah blah blah. I'll be calling you, I don't know, Monday at 8 at 8 o'clock from this number, from this whatever number, and we insert the number that's actually closest to them because we're going to be doing the local presence. Again, I'll show you exactly how to do this. So basically this is how it works. We're going to set up a way for how leads that we're going to be calling will be receiving a familiar number. And then we will also be setting up a way to send them the number that we're going to be calling them from, because subconsciously, if they saw it before, they can expect it. There's a higher chance they actually pick up. So let's actually set this up. So first of all, I left a resource document in the description below. It's the first one. I don't need your email or anything, just open it. And the first thing we actually need to do is to go into your sub account, and I want you to buy phone numbers with each of these area codes, because I basically made this list and it covers like 90% of whatever leads you're going to ever get. So first thing that you need to do is to literally go into your sub account, go into settings, phone system here, let's see, phone numbers, and just buy numbers. Like, keep buying. It's going to take a while for you to buy all of them, but search up each of these phone numbers, area codes, and buy all of them. And once you're done, come back to the video. Now, once you've bought the actual phone numbers, I want you to go to the voice settings in here, go to other settings, click on outbound calls, and you will see these three options. It's going to be by default to prefer phone number assigned to user. What I want you to do is to select local presence dialing. And now whenever you dial a lead, it will basically go to the pool of numbers that you just bought bought it, like the list that you just bought, it will reroute the call. So the lead basically, as I've explained earlier, receives the one that's closest to their area code. Now, to actually set up the process of how we're going to send it on SMS, GoHighLevel doesn't do this natively, so I built a whole workaround with NA10. First thing that I would like you to do is to download this NA10 JSON file. Just like go ahead, download it on your computer. Go ahead to NA10. I already have it here. Just open, like create a new workflow or open it. Click on these three little buttons and import from file. Select the file and it will be imported and you will see this. Okay. Now, before we move ahead with anything here, what I want you to do is to go back to the resource tab and actually upload this GHL snapshot because I wanted to save you time. So I built the workflows and the custom fields. Just get the snapshot, upload it to your GoHighLevel sub accounts. So do that. I'm not going to show you how to upload the snapshot. Like if you're like this video is for legit operators. If you don't know to do that, just look it up or whatever. Now, when you're done uploading both of the NA10 workflow and the GHL local presence dialer, what I want you to do is to go to business profile and the business settings of your sub accounts, copy this location ID, going back to NA10, go to set location in here, and in this value part, just paste the whatever code you've got. So do that. Next, what I want you to do is go back to the agency view, go to settings, go to private integrations, and create a new integration, call it NA10 or whatever you want to call it. Click next. For scopes, search up phone number and click phone numbers read. This is literally just so we get the list of the phone numbers that you have automatically, so you don't have to do it manually. So you should, like, I don't know, share this video with someone or like give back to me. And anyway, I'm joking. I'm just helping you so you don't waste time. So select this, click create. And now copy this. Don't worry about stealing my API code. I will remove it after this video. So copy it. Go back to your NA10. Click on the pull numbers here, and in the headers section, if you see here bearer, there's gonna be a filler one. Just select it and paste the new one you just got, and click away, and that's done in here. So we have that now set up. Now, all we have to do is copy these two webhook links. So in here, just click on production, whatever is going to pop up for you, click on here. Go to your GHL sub account. You just uploaded the workflows to the snapshot to. Go into automation, click on local presence number, new lead, click on that. And in here, in this webhook step, I'm just gonna paste the URL again here. Just paste it here, save, publish the workflow, that's done. And then same thing here, go to the HTTP request, open it up, go back to GoHighLevel, open the second workflow we have available, the update local presence number. And in here, click on inbound webhook, copy the link you have, or click on this to copy it. Go back in here in NA10 and paste this. Okay. Now that's done, this is done. Okay, I'm gonna save it really quickly and publish it. Make sure to do that. Now, first thing that we're gonna do is we're basically gonna pull the list of numbers you just bought automatically, and we're gonna put them into this algorithm that mimics how GHL chooses which area code is closest. So a new lead comes in, we send it to this automation. It checks from the list of numbers that we have available. It chooses the same one that GHL would have chosen that's closest to them, the local presence thing, out of the list that you just bought. And then basically we're gonna write it back into a custom field on GHL, like I don't know, assigned local presence number or whatever, because GHL doesn't do this natively. And then after that, we can use it in the confirmation SMS or in the reminders to tell them like, hey, we're gonna be actually calling you from this number. So first thing that you should do is just click here to execute the workflow. Just hover over it and execute the workflow. Something I just realized is some of you might not have this pop up, the when clicking execute workflow, and it's completely fine. All you have to do is go towards the end here, towards export code, and just click on this little play button and it will do everything. So yeah, just one quick edit and you can go back to the video. It's gonna finish like this and nothing is going to happen, I want you to click on the export code section and download this local presence JS file. No worry, I'm not trying to hack your computer. This is just so we have the code ready. I'm trying to save you time so you don't have to copy paste manually. Click on it, open it up, just Command A or Control A for those on Windows, copy it. Go back over here, click on local presence algo. Again, Command A, delete all, and paste the one that you just got, and done. Okay, now save it and make sure to publish. Save and publish, please. So now that's set up, and all we have to do now is test it, and you're gonna see how the custom field will get updated. So go ahead into your GHL. Again, make sure these two are published. And I'm gonna go into context. Let me go into a random one. Let me go in mine here. I'll just delete this local presence number, the old one. I'm gonna save just so I clean it up. Then what I want you to do is just click on automation here, click add, and boom, add it to local presence number new lead, and click add. Okay, and now if we wait a bit, you're gonna see that the local presence number in here will actually get updated. So let me leave and come back. All right, and as you see, it shows the number that was actually closest to whatever phone number I had in here. So boom, that's exactly how it works. You have your list for basically sending the phone number in the SMS so they know it beforehand, and that's literally how you get like a better pickup rate on your outbound dials for scheduled calls, for whatever you're dialing through GoHighLevel. So we're going to be calling that now. They'll see a phone number that's in their area code, and they'll also be receiving, again, added to your confirmation message, like you have the custom field. Now, I'm not going to show you that, you figure it out, but I give you all the logic. So yeah, now you will 100% have better pickup rates. So yeah, thank you. And if you're an agency owner or an info product owner that's making above 30 grand per month, I can help you build internal data infrastructure. So if you want to find out more, there's a little funnel link that you can click on. And yeah, goodbye.